Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. Yeah, can you hear me?
So,
Good afternoon. So, any questions?
yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, the uses of chi-square values to determine the functional relationship in it. And answer one more point is there, sir. How to determine the value of e to the power minus m for computing
Wait,
Poisson probabilities.
wait. We have neither discussed chi-square nor we have discussed poison. Have we?
A Poisson we have, I think, in
अरे वो
previous to
तो
previous.
मेंशन किया था वीडियो में, लेकिन वैसे क्लास में वी हैव नॉट डिस्कस्ड.
हाँ सर, वैसे तो नहीं था.
So therefore, as of now, this is out of not out of syllabus but out of what has been taught.
ओके सर.
क्योंकि ऐसे तो चेबिसेव थ्योरम भी रह गई है आपकी, चेबिसेव वो भी रह गया है. तो
यस सर.
अभी आई एम जस्ट टचिंग बेसिक देन आई विल टच द रिमेनिंग लेफ्ट ओवर.
ओके सर.
अरे पहला क्वेश्चन क्या था?
Sir, the uses of chi-square values with the relationship of functional values.
ठीक है, हम लोग आएंगे उस
Sir,
पर.
sir, for example, the null hypothesis of chi-square has no relationship exist between the categorical variable in the population.
पहले नल
So, sir,
हाइपोथेसिस समझ लो, फिर हाइपोथेसिस समझ में आएगा. मतलब
okay,
वी
sir.
विल या एनीबॉडी एल्स.
Sir,
हम्म.
so actually, in the question that we were discussing, there was a little confusion regarding determining the prior probability and likelihood, sir. So I was not able to understand the terms properly, sir.
Prior probability is very simple, that you are talking of a hypothesis. ठीक है. So PH, let me open the PPT. जैसे मुझे याद है, let me show you also. You always have to remember that जो आपको, let me show you again. या तुम लोग आराम से ज्वाइन करते हो, मतलब क्या समझ रखा है? बैठो अब. See, can you see this screen?
No, sir, it's not presenting.
अच्छा. Now can you see?
Yes, sir, now it's visible.
So now this is the main thing. H is the hypothesis, E evidence. That's as simple as that. Okay. Now here PH is the prior hypothesis or prior probability, because you did assume some probability. This get rectified or verified or changed after you observe the evidence. So this becomes your posterior. Is that clear or not? First of all, ये दो clear हैं कि नहीं है?
Yes, sir.
Posterior is dependent on prior. पहली बात तो याद रखो. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
Then this is the likelihood that evidence will be there because the hypothesis is true. And if this is high, okay, and this is low, only then you will have a posterior more than the prior. आया समझ?
यस सर, वो अब क्लियर हो सर, वो एक्चुअली स्टेटमेंट फॉर्म में थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन हो गया।
नहीं
Yes, sir.
यार, that's the point. Ultimately it's statement. You won't tell this to your managers. To managers you have to explain everything. Let's
Yes.
understand one thing, that whenever we talk of numbers, until unless we have the ability to tell numbers, it will be very difficult. It's in common language. Therefore don't just think of solving problems. ठीक है, अब जैसे ये सारे वीडियोस हैं, these are actually concept of probability in application in real scenarios. Okay, so I hope you don't mind, I just send you whatever I find useful. So this is okay, that is. Anybody else? Anybody else has any question? No? चलो ठीक. How many of you heard of word model earlier? Hmm? How many of
Model is basically a formulation of formula or some kind of derivation by which we are putting the values on what we will get the result. Two-point model, the financial model which is being there.
भैया
Then
कुछ आराम से बोलो.
so
मतलब दिस इज़ लाइक द बुक इज़ डेफिनेशन. मैनेजर हूँ, अगर मैं समझ में नहीं आएगा, अगर अंग्रेजी मुझे आती है, मतलब फाइनेंशियल इट्स अ मॉडल, देन व्हाट इट डज, मतलब इट्स अ कलेक्शन ऑफ डेटा. क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं?
the model is basically कि आपको derivatives given है, उस पे अगर हम
डेरिवेटिव्स.
value रखेंगे.
डेरिवेटिव्स क्या होता
The value of we can say x y z means एक सर एग्जांपल लेके ही बता सकते हैं ना.
है? तो किसने मना किया है? I'm not asking for a definition, भैया. Nobody will ask you definition in your corporate. They will all ask concept. Model what?
Sir, model.
हाँ.
Sir, model is a system in which we put some input and get some output.
Model is a ये बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है. That there has to be input, there has to be output. अरे सब पढ़े लिखे लोग हैं यार. चलो 8वीं क्लास के बच्चे के एंगल से बात करो. Have an 8th class person heard of model?
Yes, sir. Sir, model is the small representation of some big thing.
Yes. So that is, as we say, skilled. तुम लोग अच्छे हो. सुबह तो एक बंदा FTV मॉडल की बात कर रहा था. ठीक है. So this is the proper understanding that when we start of model, basic word of model is you are trying to represent a unseen thing or unmanufactured, whatever word you want to say. Exact replica, it is not exact replica. So it is called a prototype or a scaled down version or a model. So you must have seen science model of, make a scientific model of the universe of solar galaxy, or a model, working model of what was that, hydrogen fuel and those sort of things. सुना होगा ना ये सब आपने साइंटिफिकली उसमें.
Yes sir.
ठीक है. A working model of this, a working model of that, model of the model of the car and those sort of things. ट्रेन कहाँ से? Wow, somebody near the train. Yeah, so the point is that's what model is generally, but the question is now, where does and how does statistics enter here? Have you ever seen a join or dot thing?
Yes, sir.
Have you ever seen a join a dot problem?
Yes, sir.
So what is a join a dot? You actually do not know that what does the dot represents, or what does the complete dot when joined will represent.
Sir, we extrapolate based on the previous things.
Previous what?
Sir, for example, a previous line is coming from some end and there is a dot next to it, we join them.
Yeah. So you can you if you imagine that if I give you multiple dots, you can draw multiple figures in that. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And some of them will be valid. Some of them might cover some of the points. Some of them might cover more of the points. Some of them will make sense. Some of them will not make sense. Is that fine?
You are right,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. Okay. Let's come back again to our model. Now let's look at this image. So I had a bridge which I saw, let's say the Golden Gate Bridge, maybe yeah, that's fine. Now I want to tell what it is. So it becomes difficult until unless I create a model. So I create a prototype of that. Now, due to any reason, either the information is not complete or the information is complete but you are not able to recreate or use that information recreatively, you can get basically these sort of design. आपने ब्रिज सोचा तो ब्रिज बना दिया, लेकिन ये कैंटिलीवर ब्रिज था, so you did not miss, you missed it out, or you made one cantilever, there were two cantilevers. Okay, so we can have multiple way, but simple है. एक moderate fit, one is very bad fit, one is good fit, and one is moderate fit. Similarly, you do not know the image shown in the image shown here. You do not know what exactly it is, and you are creating a model. So the data is to be explained by using a model. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now, hence we say we are trying to fit a model on the data. Okay.
So we can say that it is about predicting with the realistic data.
It is
About predicting with the realistic data.
predicting अभी नहीं है, because prediction actually means you have found what is dependent, what is independent. We are not talking about
Okay.
predicting. You are replica.
Okay.
There is no prediction here as of now. Ultimately, in midway, when you will make a proper, when you try to make, because abhi this is not on a 2D plot. This is just points. When I make a 2D plot where I say one plot is y, one plot is x, and x is independent, and those sort of things. Then you talk of this, but a generic model does not mean you are predicting something.
Okay.
Generic model is simple. Then you are trying to make from the given information some reality. Okay, so this data is again some information. Suppose in this figure, if I do not give you a proper information, I just say there is a bridge over the river, you might make this, and yes, it's a bridge over river on the basis of the information given. That's it. But if I give a proper base that there is a cantilever, two cantilevers are there, spaced at this height, this length, and those sort of things, then you will get this more near to this. और इट माइट हैपन यू माइट गेट दिस, बट आपको कैंटिलीवर वर्ड ही नहीं पता, तो आपने ये बना दिया. ठीक है, इट्स अ ब्रिज इन कैंटिलीवर, आई डोंट नो, यू मेड दिस. व्हाट यू गेटिंग इट? This
Yes,
is
sir.
result of your ability to represent information simultaneously the information. So the information in statistical tool is the dots. Now these dots could be anything. These dots could be joined to dot a figure. Please make a figure. Suppose I want to draw a human body, and I will just give you dots. I don't know how many of you will get a human body. Might or might not. समझ रहे हैं ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now coming to more details. As somebody was saying financial model, हाँ वो क्या कह रहे थे, आपके financial model कह रहे थे?
The DU point.
यार देखो, तुम लोग ना नाम मत फेंका करो. अब डू पॉइंट मॉडल तुमने फेंक दिया, मैं मॉडल पूछ रहा हूँ, तुम डू पॉइंट बता रहे हो. आई नेवर आस्क्ड यू व्हाट्स अ डू पॉइंट मॉडल. आई एम सिंपली आस्किंग यू अ मॉडल. डोंट एक्सपेक्ट कि हाँ आगे सामने जो बैठा है वो तुम्हारा टीचर है. You are not, from now on, don't think you will be answering experts. You will be answering HR, you will be answering marketing, or you might be answering somebody who have heard all these things but they don't know anything about this. Just don't be technicians, please. You won't find technicians coming to you. Manager बनने जा रहे हो, so that's the problem. When you become a manager, you have to talk in formations, or you just become a analyst of higher sort. Anyways, anyone else? What's the model? Statistical terms. Somebody was saying it is output by input. That is when you define your data in such a way that it's a 2D plot, y-axis is independent and the x-axis is independent. Only then it has this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Financial models and the way we decide them or the way we write them, we try to get into that. That's our aim. That we should have an independent variable, we should have a dependent. Okay. Any questions? Like here also you have multiple dots, 1, 2, 3, this dot, this dot, this dot, this dot, this dot, this dot, this dot. Now you can join it using this line, you can join it using this line, you can join it using this line. Now there are various ways to join the line, but which one you are intending? And therefore you get different models on the same data. कभी ये देखा है? That you get different models on same data. Somebody is saying this, somebody is saying that, somebody is saying this. Why? Even though
Level of insight.
yeah, that is
Yes,
the point.
different.
That is the skill. Even the information is same. Your ability to extract, replicate the information. A cantilever bridge is there, two sides. You might not know what is cantilever. You know cantilever में तो एक ही होता है जो काम कर सकते हैं. ठीक है? So detail of information, ability to understand information, those sort of things. And that is where high and low end statistics comes in handy, where there are multiple terms which actually talk about the model. Okay, the model fitting the data. So we actually always fit the model on the data. Okay, we never fit data on the model because data is fixed. We always change the model. If you are changing data for the model, तो आप reverse engineering कर रहे हैं. Okay, any questions?
So, sir, what the statistician will be finally doing in it?
Statistician will try to see the information, interpret it, and then create a model. So, as I told you, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots. You can have this line, you can have this line, or you can have this line, or you can have other line, some other curve. Okay, समझ रहे हो?
Sir, but how to judge which one is perfect? ये भी तो है कि controlling या observation कौन करेगा?
That's the point. So there are model fit indices. Model fit indices which decide all this. And now there's a big debate. Which model fit indices to follow? जैसे
Sir, any example?
any example, lot of examples are there. अभी suppose I take a data, I can fit it with a straight line y equal to mx plus c1. I can replace it again with a straight line of slope y is equal to m2x plus c2. Okay, or I can say a parabola fits in. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
So one of the indices, I think we talked about it. You please watch the video which I have replaced in my statistic regression, standard regression or intermediate regression, which actually talks about least square error.
Yes, sir.
ठीक
It
है?
was there.
So now that is one indices. That how much error does the variable explain? Does the line explain? Then there are multiple variables, in the sense people say that we should have 2x, 3x, and there is average variation, adjusted R square. Okay. So now these questions will become clearer and clearer as you go into regression, and it will just give you a pedestal of understanding this. Curve fitting is a big branch. So curve fitting जो होती है, that is from this thing, which curve fits the data. We never say data fitting, we say curve fitting. Curve is a model. Is it fine?
So, sir, it will also include the area under nominal curve and binomial coefficient also.
It depends what distribution your data is following. It's not necessary that it
Okay,
follows.
acha, type of data.
It does not it is not necessary that your data follows normal.
Yes, sir.
It might not. You have to always understand that what is normality, or where does normal things fall. And therefore we have the Galton rule. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, anyways. Okay, so you can read all these things. This is a nice book. See this one. A scatter plot, same data with linear model fit with non-linear model. Can you see this?
Yes, sir, visible.
Yeah. Now this is very simple thing. Which is a better fit? And what are the understand? How do you understand which is a better fit? So now, अब जैसे है ना researchers, everybody will have their own say. They will create different ranges. Like WPI, you have heard? Have you heard of WPI? अरे भाई क्या हो गया?
No, sir.
नहीं, इन्फ्लेशन सुना है?
Sorry, sir.
इन्फ्लेशन.
Yes. वो पता है पर पूरा implication नहीं पता उसका.
तो एक होता है कंज्यूमर प्राइस इन्फ्लेशन, एक होता है होलसेल प्राइस इन्फ्लेशन. जब
Yes,
इन्फ्लेशन
sir.
जैसे सिंपल कंसेप्ट में लोग अपनी कहानी जोड़ देते हैं, उसी तरह इंडेसेस में भी बहुत सारे इंडेसेस होते हैं. दिस फिट इंडेसेस, दैट फिट इंडेसेस, नेम ऑफ सम ऑथर, अदर ऑथर. ठीक है, डिपेंडिंग
Yes,
ऑन
sir.
द टेक्निक. So that's the question. That even if I give you these two lines, which is a better fit, उसका evaluation parameter decide करने में research हो जाती है. And that's the research generally. Common आदमी तो बस सुनता है. Okay. Anybody else has any question? Anybody else has any question? Everything is clear? Okay. Now let's get to this. We have discussed this sort of things earlier also. I hope you remember what is the population, what is the sample.
So, sir, the earlier which you have said about curve fitting. So, sir, can we use the correlation there for the multiple variables?
यार correlation
क्योंकि
is
उससे
again one index.
अच्छा वो एक टाइप है. ओके.
भाई तो मैंने बताया ना आपको, थोड़े बहुत फेमस बता दिए थे. इन्फ्लेशन इज दिस. अब इन्फ्लेशन में 10 तरह के इन्फ्लेशन है. उसी तरह अभी आप आर स्क्वायर पढ़ेंगे, फिर एक एडजस्टेड आर स्क्वायर आएगा. फिर there are 13 types of correlation, Karp-Pearson correlation, Spearman correlation, ठीक है. तो हर किसी को अपनी कहानी लिखनी होती है. Anyway, we will not go in that. But
Yes.
it's a big domain itself.
Yes, a whole unit is there on that one. Books are
ये
there.
अरे यूनिट तो कुछ नहीं, यूनिट तो इंट्रोडक्टरी है. इट्स द होल सिलेबस इन द सेंस दैट यू कैन डू PhD on that. Anyways, from that. Yeah, so we have discussed this sort of thing. So suppose you have to find what is the average screen time of 10,000 BHU students. How you will go about it? How you will find it?
Sir, can you please repeat the question?
If we have 10,000 BHU students and we need to find the average screen time, how do we find it?
Sir, we took a small sample.
Sampling can be a method.
Then do what?
Sir, we will took sample from different populations. For example, some from first year, some from
Different
second year.
population.
First, different area in a population,
And then
and then we will find
find
their whatever the data or the kind of
whatever
mean,
data है, simple question, average screen time.
mean. And then we will extrapolate the data for the whole BHA students.
भाई जरा बताओ how you will extrapolate.
Sorry, sir.
How you will extrapolate? So you have multiple samples. Every sample will have a mean of that group itself. Then it will look
Sir,
different. बोलो.
sir, it needs we to have some standard deviation.
Standard deviation तो होगा ही जब डेटा आप कैचअप करोगे. Standard deviation तो होगा, इसमें भी कोई डाउट नहीं.
Sir, what was the actual thing we need to find out?
I just said I need to find out the 10,000 BSc students what's the average screen time.
Sir, voice is not clear. Sorry.
What's the average screen time of 10,000 BSc students?
Average sitting time.
Screen time. Screen. Yeah, average screen time.
Okay, sir. Sir, don't have any idea.
Arey, we discussed about it, Baba. In first 2-3 classes. Anyone else?
Sir, in that, we used to find the sample mean, then we used to go for standard deviation and standard error, then find out. I think that was the process.
Sample mean मतलब क्या होता है?
सर 10,000 स्टूडेंट्स का तो मीन नहीं लेंगे ना, तो एक सैंपल पूरे पॉपुलेशन में कुछ सैंपल्स को तो जॉट डाउन करना होगा.
ठीक है,
फिर उसके बाद उनका मीन लेंगे and then we will find out the standard deviation and then the standard error.
How you will get the standard deviation? Because every
So that-
every sample will have its own deviation.
Yeah, so every sample group will have its own deviation, then those deviations average.
Chalo, okay. So now this is a quick question. Ideally, you cannot find the real mean unless you get all of the people data. Is that
Yes, sir, that's for sure.
That's for sure. Now here comes this concept which you are talking about. Now this will have consideration that what should be number of people in a particular sample, how many samples should be there. That will be the question again. Okay, what should be the selection criteria of making a group? So We will not go in that right now. We will go it later. But just figure out this way that we want to figure out what is the average happiness index or whatever you want to say. So we have 7 groups. So we got different means. Okay. Now when you plot these means, and we have discussed this earlier also, it becomes a frequency plot. There are 3 people, 1, 2 and 3 groups with a frequency level of 3 and satisfaction level of 3. There are 2 groups with a satisfaction level of 4. Okay. In this way, the more samples you get, this will follow a normality curve. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, here comes a big issue. How does this help us? Even if we get such a graph, one way is to say that the maximum point or the mean point of the graph is the mean of the population.
Yes, sir.
That is one way. But can you say that confidently?
No, sir, it is not accurate.
Yeah. Therefore, see, let's talk about this image. Now I'm not writing the complete expressions, you might be understanding yourself. Let's assume we have got the standardized format of the data. I'm not writing by 2 and root 2 pi and those sort of things. Okay. Assume it's a standard deviation. सब कुछ ऐसे by 2 भी है, root 2 pi भी है. Okay. What does this expression give us? What does this expression give us?
Average of standard deviation.
Sir, if the probability if something will happen within that range.
यार एवरेज जब निकालना होता है ना, so again you have to go to basic science. Pi xi dx. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Pi xi dx, which ultimately integrates into fx dot x dx. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
That will give you average.
Yes.
तो वहीं अटके हो यार, तो मैं क्या करूँ? Anyways, हाँ. Somebody was saying something else. क्या कह रहा था? Probability what?
So I was saying probability of finding something within that range.
Yeah. So now you see. This is the area which will be got by this. Okay. This expression represents this area. Okay. Is this fine?
Yes, sir.
Now this is the probability of x lying between L and U. समझ में आया? This is what we have found out last time also using the Z tables. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What
We
you
did.
can upgrade, it's not clear, sir.
अच्छा रुक जाओ. Wait. Look at the camera. So I just said lower limit to upper limit e power is x square by 2 root 2 x everything.
Sir, below.
अच्छा sorry, e power minus x square. It's reverse ना, उल्टा आ रहा है ना, सीधा आ रहा है.
Inverted है sir.
Why this happens?
एक पे सही आ रहा है, एक पे इन्वर्टेड आ रहा है.
एक
नो
पे सही
प्रॉब्लम
आ
सर,
रहा है.
सही वाला स्ट्रेट.
एक पे इन्वर्टेड आ रहा है, ऐसा भी होता है. How do I image?
Sir, the one you are presenting is inverted on the camera, which is normal.
यार ये क्या to run all these things. Okay, wait a second. Yeah, this is okay. I'm just halting the meeting right now. I will just come back. Is it fine now? Hello, is it fine? Is it fine now? Can you hear me? Hello, can you
Yes sir.
Yeah. So we were just talking of this. What is this? This is an
Yes, sir, visible.
area between. Okay. This one. Is this fine?
Sir, you have to write on the leftward side.
Yeah. Is this fine? This is the area. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ठीक है. So what is this? Is it fine?
Sir, below, but it's not visible.
ठीक है. This is LL. This is UL. Okay. ठीक है. This is
Yes,
the
sir.
this is the probability. Now what I am asking that we are trying to understand, does the population mean, जो population का mean है, let's say capital mu, okay, we have to find the probability that mu find between LL and UL and LL. Okay. This is what we are saying. We do not know exactly. Now this P is called confidence. And this is called confidence interval.
The code has got totally blurred.
Blurred.
Yes, sir.
I can see everything reflection in my computer as fine. Anyone else? The board is
So
complete.
now it's okay.
So I was saying mu coming between low level and upper level, we have a probability that is called the confidence. And confidence P like 50%, 20%, 30% or 80%, 90%. That mu will lie between these two. And these two are the confidence interval. Is that fine or not? Is that fine?
Sir, one question.
Bolo?
Hello.
Yeah.
Sir, is this confidence is as same as degree of belief, because I have read that word.
Degree of belief. In which context
sir.
you have read?
Sir, same in the probability context.
You have to explain us more about degree of belief.
Sir, degree of belief means it is a historical word in the probability context. When I was reading the history of the probability where it was developed, I have read that word. So I just want to confirm, is it same or different?
Have you read this one, this term? Alpha? There?
No, sir.
Okay, yeah, this is degree of belief, not this. Okay? This is degree of belief, confidence. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Now my question to you is simple. If I increase my confidence interval, will my confidence increase or decrease or will not change? If I increase my confidence interval, will my confidence increase, decrease or will change or will not change?
Your confidence is me.
No, I did not say confidence is me. I just said integral of UL to LL, LL to UL is the confidence. That's what we defined. No?
Sir, if we increase the upper limit, then it will increase.
So if I increase this, it will increase or decrease or not change? Very simple. एरिया ये है, अभी हमने इंटरवल ऐसे डिसाइड किया,
Increase, sir.
ठीक है? So P will increase. So one of the way is to say that I increase my confidence interval. To increase my confidence, is that fine or not? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now there is one
Yes,
other
sir.
way. There is one another way. And suppose this is a level. This is the lower and upper limit. Okay. Suppose these two graphs are same. Okay. What is changing is the position. Where will be more confidence? Interval length is same.
Sir, in the upper one because the area is more in the upper.
This is A, this is B. Okay, these are same equation. Okay, this length is same. So without changing the confidence interval, how do I increase my confidence?
By shifting the mean.
By
like
saying-
the up,
Sir, by shifting the interval.
By saying this in a standardized format. Is this fine? Yes or no?
सर ये समझ नहीं आया कैसे.
The lower
Yes, sir,
level,
it is fine.
lower level is replica of higher level. So if z is 1 here, z will be minus 1 here. Is that fine? Yes or no? Symmetry है ना mean के about. The more symmetrical we are, hello. The more symmetrical we are, the
Yes, sir.
more the confidence will be. And symmetry के लिए क्या होना चाहिए? Lower level is negative of upper level. Value
Yes,
wise.
sir.
ठीक है. Now my question to you is, standardized Z curve. Okay, A minus A. Please tell me what is the value of A if just get the root 2 pi also in between is equal to 95 or 0.95. How you will get the value of A? Anyone? Did you understand what I am asking? Hello?
Yes, sir.
सर थोड़ा सिंप्लीफाई कर दीजिए.
Simplify क्या? Minus A to A, this area should be 95, 0.95. And a standardized Z curve. Minus A to A मतलब limits. वो आपका upper limit, lower limit. And we have to make it 95. What is the value of A?
Sir, 2.
Sir 5.
2. How come 2? How you will get it?
Sir. So maybe through Z table.
हाँ तो मे बी टू Z टेबल. अभी मैं अपना डेस्कटॉप शेयरिंग बंद कर रहा हूँ and anybody can show me how to get through Z table. Okay, so you can share your screen. Yeah, please go ahead. You can share your screen. Yeah, anyone? Oh, the person was saying. Yeah, please share your screen and just tell us how do you get it.
Sir,
Yeah, tell us. Try it out, yeah, don't worry. गलत ही होगा और क्या होगा. और तुक्के लगे तो हीरो बन जाओगे. हाँ, Mayank, try. Share your screen and try.
yes, sir. I'm trying on paper, sir.
Paper. अच्छा मैं तुम्हारे Z टेबल खोल देता हूँ. तुम मुझे बताओ कहाँ जाना है. क्या क्लिक करूं? कौन सा क्लिक करूं बताओ. हाँ भाई, मैम,
Yes, sir.
I am opening here. See the screen and tell me which one to click.
Sir, this is a 95 one, sir. Like a standard rate.
भाई हम Z टेबल यूज कर रहे हैं, तुम स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं कर सकते. आई एम शेयरिंग स्क्रीन ऑन योर बिहाफ, नॉट एनी वेयर टू क्लिक. एनीवन? हेलो, तुमने Z टेबल बोला, मैंने Z टेबल लिख दिया, Z टेबल आ गया, क्या करूँ?
Sir, I don't know. Sir, I am confused. Sir, I don't know.
अरे भाई तुमने Z टेबल तो बोला, तुमने कॉपी भी बोला, तुमने टू भी बोला, इतना कुछ बोल दिया, उसके बाद क्या है? गलत हो जाओगे और क्या होगा? तुक्का मारो.
Sir, don't.
ये वाला तो सब कुछ ना बताओ. अच्छा, पहली बात, ऐसे टेबल्स नहीं खोलने हैं जिसमें फिट इमेज ना हो. ये वाली तो पहले बताया था ना मैंने. इफ यू रिमेंबर अर्लियर क्लासेस. हेलो, ठीक है. वी विल नेवर ओपन इमेजेस टेबल्स व्हिच डज नॉट हैव दिस इमेज. ओके, सो लेट्स ओपन दिस नाउ. आप बताओ. Let's see what happens. भाई किसी को नहीं आता, तुम लोग कर क्या रहे हो भाई? एंड में नहीं पढ़ पाओगे. सिंपल क्वेश्चन वी हैव सॉल्व्ड अर्लियर मेनी अ टाइम्स.
Sir, मैं एक बार ट्राई करूँ ये वाला.
भाई क्यों नहीं ट्राई करोगे यार?
हेलो.
हाँ बोलो.
हाँ सर, ये 0 से x वाला Z टेबल निकालना होगा, उससे आप कर सकते हो.
ये निकाल लिया. अब
सर.
हाँ बोलो.
सर. सर, इन सर टेबल 0 to Z1 सर.
हाँ ये निकाल लिया वो टेबल. ठीक है, फिर आ गया. अब
Sir, this is sir, in that sir, we have given Z value and so corresponding to that we have what will be the probability and so in that we will multiply it by 2.
अरे भाई तुम मुझे कहानी में बताओ, करना क्या दिमाग में तुम सोचो. व्हाट आई हैव टू डू, टेल मी दैट. इसने बोला 0 to Z वाला टेबल खोल दो, मैंने खोल दिया. इन्फिनिटी टू Z वाला. चलो कोई और खोलना है तो बताओ.
So this one is from sir minus infinity to that sir.
अच्छा तो कौन सा खोलना फिर? ये वाला.
0. हाँ सर, this one.
चलो खोल दिया. फिर अभी रख दो.
And sir, 1 minute.
एक मिनट. हाँ ये खुल गया. अब ये बड़ा,
1 minute sir.
इसको हम बड़ा कर देते हैं.
And sir,
आप क्या करें इसमें? ये आ गया तुम्हारा.
yes sir. Now sir, we have to find like 95%. So that will be half squared from 0 to positive side and half squared from 0 to
भाई
negative
क्या- वो
side.
तुम्हारा दिमाग का लॉजिक है. तुम करना क्या ये बताओ.
Yes.
मैं टेबल खोल दिया.
Yes, sir.
कहाँ स्क्रॉल करूँ?
Yes. Yes sir.
Where should I scroll?
Yes sir. In point is 1 meter. 0. So 1.9 and 2.0 something near that sir.
भाई हाउ डू आई नो 1.9 1.20? मतलब मेरे को Z टेबल कैसे देखते हैं? हाउ डू यू सी Z टेबल? वेयर डू यू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम? आई एम आस्किंग फाइंड द Z वैल्यू फॉर द एरिया दिस. दैट्स ऑल.
Yes sir.
तो आप कहाँ से शुरू करेंगे?
Sir, voice was not clear. Yes sir.
अरे यार तुम्हारी चीज तो क्लियर ही नहीं होती है. चलो आगे 1 और 2 के बीच में अब क्या करें बोलो. ये रहा 1, ये रहा 2. हाँ अब
Yes. Yes sir. Like 1 point. So sir, in there the value is given like 0.4713 and that is the probability from 0 to Z. We will multiply it by 2 and we will get somewhere near 95.
अरे 95 का आधा कितना होता है?
Yes sir. 47 point something sir.
अरे समथिंग कितना बता ही दो, इतना कम नहीं जाता.
1 minute sir. 1 minute and 1 minute.
47.5.
47.5.
हाँ तो 47.5 यहाँ पर कहीं है, दिख रहा है? और 0.45475 में लिख रहे हैं.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 1.97.
1.9.
6.
06.
ये सही कर रहे हैं, गलत कर रहे हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं? Anyone else? तो इन्होंने क्या किया, इन्होंने मुझसे 0 to Z का टेबल खुलवाया, ठीक है, और 0.475 पर सर्च करवाया एंड दे सेड Z वैल्यू 1.96. ठीक है. अब अगर तुम्हें ये ना टेबल दिया होता और एग्जाम में तुम्हें मैं ये टेबल दूंगा तो क्या करोगे? बताओ. ये वाला टेबल दूंगा तो क्या करोगे? इससे भी आंसर वही आएगा. बताओ बताओ, सोचो सोचो.
Sir, area of the whole graph minus shaded area.
अरे आंसर बताओ, ये तो तुम्हारा लॉजिक होगा. करना क्या?
सर 95 के बदले 5% ले लेंगे.
5% ले लिया तो 5% मतलब 0.05 पे जाऊं.
तो उसका हाफ.
0.05 का हाफ इज 0.025.
0.25.
ये आ गया. अब ये कितने पर आ रहा है? -1.9.
-1.96.
Simple. Here you were calculating, so you got +196. Here simpler concept, you are getting -1.96. So what it tells you is very simple thing. Good trial you made. Can you see my screen now? You can see very small. That we can say with 95% confidence that within this confidence interval, this is 1.96, this is 1.96, S we don't know right now, we will go find out. ठीक है. And suppose this is a sample mean, that our population mean will rise between these two, this and this, with a 95% of confidence. समझ रहे हैं? Are you getting that? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Which also means, suppose I take 100 samples. Out of 100 samples, 95 samples, I will find the mean within this range, which is again a simple extrapolation of probability. 5 samples will not satisfy, will not have the mean in this range. समझ आया? ठीक है. इसको आप देखिएगा. We are not going here. We are just studying this one. ठीक है. और ये कॉन्फिडेंस इंटरवल लेवल बहुत ज़्यादा यूज होता है आगे जाके. आधों को तो पता ही नहीं तो कॉन्फिडेंस क्या होता है, किसका कॉन्फिडेंस. ठीक है. ओके. ऑल द बेस्ट. वी कैन आस्क क्वेश्चंस टुमारो. वी आर ओवर.
Thank you, sir.